Take a ride in the 2025 Armada. The Nissan Armada is a full-size SUV which seats up to 8 comfortably. It boasts a powerful engine and has a 9,000-pound tow rating, which puts it at the top of the class. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, power lift gate, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, LED headlights, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.